Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how can do the jelly only way. Start by preparing fruit and measuring sugar and pectin precisely, then sterilize jars so everything is safe. Heat fruit slowly to release natural juices, add measured sugar and pectin, and follow the bubble test for a proper set. Cool jars upright and label with date. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark place for best flavor and shelf life. In this video, I will show how can do the jelly only way. Keep the pan heavy bottom so heat distributes evenly and avoid burning the fruit. When the mixture reaches a full rolling boil, start timing and stir constantly to prevent sticking. Skim the foam off the top for a clear finished jelly, then test a chilled spoon for set. Pour into sterilized jars while hot and seal immediately for safety. In this video, I will show how can do the jelly only way. Quick recommendation. Grab a Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes comfortably in any light and enjoy small moments between steps. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools I mention, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how can do the jelly only way. After boiling, test a small spoonful on a chilled plate to check the gel point and adjust if needed. Fill jars with 1/4 inch headspace, wipe rims, and apply lids to ensure a proper seal. Let jars cool undisturbed, then label with contents and date. Store finished jelly in a cool, dark place and refrigerate after opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.